to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, hanging out with me, and watching today. I really do appreciate it. So for today's video, I thought I would share with you guys this box that I got from Influenster. It was a surprise. I had no idea that they were going to be sending me this. It feels pretty heavy, so I'm really excited. I typically will get a full-size item, maybe one. Sometimes I get sample size products as well, but this time it looks like I might have gotten all full-size products. This is called the Women's Empowerment VoxBox. It says, out of millions of members, there's just one of you. Congrats on making our list of hand-picked influencers to receive this VoxBox. Get ready to explore, indulge, and share. And it just tells you how to review it and all of that. I'm super excited. I've never gotten more than one thing in a box before, so definitely a first for me. And like I said, I didn't even know that I was getting this. Now, before we get into the products, I do want to let you know, if you are not familiar with Influenster, it is a website where you can review products, and it ranges not just from makeup and beauty, but it's all over, from electronics to food to like everything you can possibly think of. You can go on there, set up an account. It is free. And you just review products and you enter to, they'll send you emails for opportunities to get a VoxBox. That's what this is called. Not every time will you get one, but they will select you depending on the questionnaire and all of that. Again, it is free. There's no charges, nothing like that. As I always have down in the description, my Influencer link, and all it does is take you over to the site and make it easier for you to get there and to sign up. It doesn't do anything for myself personally. So yeah, definitely check them out. If you like to get products to try, whether they're full-size or sampled products, I definitely recommend them. I love getting these products, and yeah, so you get some great things. So there's 5 different products in here from what I can tell. Yes. So we're just going to pull what we see, and I'm going to tell you what it says. So let's start with this first thing. This is from the Chapsticks brand. It says Chapsticks Total Hydration with C Minerals. Made with C ingredients rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Part of the Nourishing Chapstick Total Hydration collection. And this is in the color Sheer Glow, which has like a little pink tint to it. That is what it looks like. And I always love getting chapsticks. You can never have too many, I feel like. So this is great. I always have dry lips. And oh, it smells great. And that is the color. Hopefully it will show up. It's like just a soft baby pink. I don't know that it's going to show up because I might be too far, but it's really pretty. I cannot wait to use this. I'm going to throw this in my purse. I will say, like from when I was younger, chapstick has definitely come up because I remember just using the original black one that they had. It was clear, but it was black on the packaging. But now they're coming up with so many different things. So I'm definitely happy to have that. Okay. The next item that I see, one of the items I did not receive. That's weird. I did not get the Yardley Moisturizing Bath Bar, which is fine. It does say Yardley Bath Bars cleanse to care for your skin, made with essential oils and moisturizing ingredients that soothe and inspire the senses. And if you guys are not familiar, you can find Yardley bar soaps at your local Dollar Tree stores. They have so many different scents, from lavender I've seen to even maybe like a pumpkin one. So they are really good body moisturizing products. I don't believe they have like any parabens and things like that in them. I believe that they're just like all natural. So definitely if you are interested in like a good body bar soap, definitely check that out. But the next item that they sent me is the Sundown Non-GMO Clean Nutrition Sublingual Liquid B Complex for energy support and nervous system health. It has 59 doses. It says here, Sundown vitamins, clean vitamins you can count on. All Sundown products are non-GMO, free of gluten, dairy, and artificial flavors. And then it says it's a 2 fluid ounce. It says B complex liquid provides an excellent source of B complex vitamins to help safeguard a sufficient daily intake. It's essential maintenance of a healthy nervous system. And B vitamins aid is conversion for energy. So that's pretty interesting. So I'll show you what that looks like. It looks like this. I will read up more on this because I'm not familiar with stuff like this. I do take a multivitamin when I remember, but other than that, I don't know what all of this is, but I'm excited to have that. Definitely as I'm getting older, I definitely need something like that. Okay, the next thing that I received is a card from Papyrus, I believe is how you say it. And it says here, greeting card. It says, from greeting cards to gift bags to entertaining, Papyrus inspires people to #express beautifully. We hope you use our cards to connect with the important people in your life, loved ones, family, and people who inspire you to do amazing things. So, if I am seeing it correctly, it looks like it's a birthday card, and on the outside it has all these cute emojis right there. Very, very cute. And then on the inside it says, only happy faces today, have a happy birthday. That's really, really cute. I do have my son's birthday coming up, his 16th birthday next month. My mother-in-law's birthday is, this is really cute. Those little smiley faces, I thought they would be squishy, but they're not. They're really, you know, like hard. But I have my son, my mother-in-law's birthday is coming up next month as well. And so yeah, we'll see. Again, I did not get that other item, which is fine. The last items in here that I see is Finesse Moisturizing Shampoo and Conditioner, hair reviving formulas with a boost of omega-9 rich camellia oil and active proteins for silky, soft, manageable hair. And when I was younger, my mom used to buy this shampoo, and I did really like it. That is what it looks like right there. They are full sizes, both 13 fluid ounces. It says for softness and manageability. It says it has restore and strength with hair reviving boost with omega rich active proteins for healthier, stronger, more alive hair. I'm going to go ahead and open them real quick because I'm actually in need of shampoo. I did give my shampoo that I purchased to my kids recently. I had bought the Biolage Matrix, the one for dry scalp. I believe it has tea tree oil or something in it. We were all dealing with dry scalp. And so I have given it to my children because their scalps are more dry than mine. And I figured they can go ahead and have it. So because of that, I was in need of some for myself. So I'm definitely going to get started. It smells so good. This is definitely what I remember Finesse to be smelling like. Cannot wait to use it. It's been very, 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 very many years since I've tried this shampoo. So I'm definitely cannot wait. I did just wash my hair. Definitely let you guys know what I think either on my channel or on Instagram. I will give you guys a update for sure. But that is everything that I got in my most recent Influenster box that was sent to me. Again, don't forget to check them out. The information will be linked down below for you guys. Sign up, get your name down on their email and all of that so that you can possibly receive a VoxBox for yourself. They are all different. Like I said, they send you a questionnaire and then you fill it out, and then they determine based on the information you provide if you are if you match what they're wanting to send out. So if you did enjoy this video, I would love for you guys to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Definitely, if you're not subscribed, I would love for you to consider subscribing if you'd like to watch more videos from me. Let me know if you get Influenster and something you recently received. I would love to hear that down below. But this is going to complete my video for today. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.